Dear students, um, this we're going to discuss about the topic under the course computer programming using C. Um, the topics are data types, variables, constant, and identifiers. So these are already we discussed process of writing programming, character set. Uh, this is called what the keywords, identifiers, variable, constants, also called as C tokens. What is C tokens? Keywords. Keyword is it has a predefined meaning. Um, predefined meaning. Um, just identifier variables are declared by our user. Okay. Uh, next, constant. Constant values never change during the execution of the program. That's constant value. So simply we can say that a value doesn't change during execution of the program is called constant. A value is change does change changing during execution program called variables. That's just opposite of constant variable. Variable means what? The values of the variables changing during the execution of the program. So next, constant is that value of the constant never changed. Next one, data types. So data types, integer, float, and character and strings. These are the data. How to um, define your data. So for example, your student name. Name is the strings. Student mark. So mark is a integer value. So integer and integer values. For example, next your average mark is a floating point numbers. It has a floating point number. So like this going on. The data types. So how to create a C programming. The steps for creating C program. Uh, so what the extensions of the file C file stored as a .c. The extension file extension of the C is .c. This is the write the source code. It is called source code. So source code written by the file. How you save the file is with extension .c. For example, Notepad. How what is the extension of Notepad? .txt. Suppose Word file, MS Word file. What is the extension is .doc or .docx like this. Normal PDF file. What is the PDF of extension of PDF file? .pdf. So like this, we do the processing. Next, pre-process source code using pre-process directories. What is pre-process directories? A hash include, hash define. These are the pre-process directories. Hash include is a standard pre-process directive. This is necessity while using the any predefined function. For example, the hash include stdio.catch. This suppose you are going to use um, input output statements in our program. Use like a scanf or printf. You should include the header file stdio.h. So what it means? So scanf and printf, these functions are available in which library? stdio.h. This library has having this scanf and printf. Next, compile statement. So after compilation. So once you written the code, we need to compile the file. The compilation is after compilation, your source code. For example, you write the program sample.c. So what it converts into object file. So what is object file? Sample dot o or sample.obj. This is what obj file. So after the running the program, so link the compile objects with the object codes and library object. So finally, it's library file now. This lib or .a, this library for executable into executable file. So what is the executable file? Mm, .exe executable file of the, so this exe is run anywhere. For example, Windows system .exe file is executable file. For in this case, like how library is in Linux system, you using out file, the a dot out. This is a dot out. You can run the program. Next, you can load the execute file in the computer memory. That's all. See, look at this. What are the steps for creating the C program? Step one, we need editor or IDE, um, integrated development environment. Integrated development environment IDE or preprocessor, um, compiler, linker, loader, and CPU. So finally, for what are the consist of? First, your file source file consists of source code. The file initialization source code. So source code consists of statements and header files. Write the source code. Next, preprocess. Preprocess nothing but compiling. Just we run the check the run. If you have a runtime error, compile time error, check the run, any error in your code. Error checking. So after you compile those, after successful compilation, we leave the link with standard library. Which library were used in your program? For example, yesterday would this link for linked with your program. Likewise, you can use math.h. This header file is used in your program. That particular header file is linked with your program. Likewise, so SAD library, suppose if SAD library especially used in OS, okay, OS system library, DLL file, SO files. That's file also. Suppose you are using the driver files, try to write that driver files, system files, system programming, that is needed. Otherwise, no needed. So we need a linker file to start libraries and execute the program. Next, how we programming is execution in CPU. Finally, you got the output. So what are the character sets you are using in the say programming? Say character set denotes of alphabet, digit, special symbol, and information. So what the character set in the C? Alphabet says A, B, and both capital letter and small letters. Next, digits. Digits here represents numeric or floating point value. So both are okay. That's here we given a simple example, given numeric value 0 to 9. You can use all combination of 0 to 9. Next, special symbols. So what is the tilde symbol, single quote, explanation symbol, at symbol, hash symbol, dollar symbol, percentage symbol, and cap symbol. This is called cap symbol, ampersand or and symbol, star or asterisk, and that name is star symbol, asterisk symbol, open close brackets, underscore, hyphen, plus, equal, and this is the pipe symbol no? This is a vertical line is represents the pipe symbol, and a backslash, front slash, and a square bracket, and braces, open braces and close braces, semicolon, colon, double quote, greater than symbol, less than, comma, dot. So these all symbols can used in the character set. So for tilde symbol, for negative numbers, for negative, this is symbol, and the logical operation, it denotes the negative values. For next, exclamatory symbol for equal to, not equal to, exclamatory equal to, it represents the not equal to, and hash symbol used to hash include the header files in the program, and likewise. So there are uses, so many uses. Ampersand symbol and asterisk both are used in pointers, and next open and close braces is used for the starting and ending of functions. So keywords already told na, this the word has a meaning, so already explained in the C compiler. The what is meaning of, we can't change the meaning, we can't change the function. For example, this is also called as keywords, also called as reverser words. Totally 32 keywords available in C language. So just name one is auto, break, case, character. This constant means that constant, continue, default, double, else, enumerator, extern, float, floating point number, for this is a for loop, and the go to statement. Int means integer, long means maybe used for before long integer or long double. So register is a storage, one kind of type of variable declaration as a storage classes, and return the function return, and start this one likewise long na, like sort integer, sort values. Next one signed. So there are signed in a signed integer and unsigned integer, both are there, unsigned, signed, and signed. Size of structure is structure value, switch case, and different type definitions, union, and void and volatile. So these are the keywords widely used in the C programming language. So what are identifiers? So this is names usually the purpose of the particular identification. Say this. So what are the variable names you are given in the memory location? For example, it is total maximum characters in the name is 32 characters, and first character should be alphabet or underscore, and then no commas and blanks are not allowed, and no special character and special symbols, special symbols is used, other than underscore can you can yeah, under cannot be used in the used as a variable names. uh, Identifier, another word of variable is constant already told, this is a number, this cannot change. For suppose pi value p 3.14, this is number pi value, we can't change this value, this is a constant value. Like with the constant numbers, any constant we can try by define as, for example, that what this is called constant, any numbers that the numbers cannot change during the variable. This is where, and this will give a numbers, whole numbers, but here variable names just alphanumeric or alphabets, this is like a word you can use identifiers, variable name. So another word of variable name is identifiers. Sericare character constants, string constant, and special character constants. So character constants A. What are the A has ASCII code? ASCII code is, what are the equivalent of ASCII code of A is 65. So capital A, and small a is ASCII code is 97. And likewise string value, so normal string constant denotes between in double quotes. Hello, see this, normally the hello with double quote is a constant. Whole double quote is a constant. Like a special characters is a constant. And data types. So in C data types are there are classified into two types, and primitive data type and derivative data type. In primitive data types, what are the data types? Integer, character, floating point value, and double value. Double. So is a double integer or double float? This is a double. Next, derivative data type. This is no, that direct. This is actually derived from the some for array is main integer array or a character array or a double floating point array, like this structure same as it's a combination of other primitive data types. This combination for a structure, suppose student record. So in this student record, student name is string, Next, primitive data types. The basic data types is provided by the compiler, and the derivative data types is just the extension of the primitive data types. Mm. Uh, so we see the data type one by one. First one is character. CHAR. This is a character. This is a character. Ranges from minus 122 plus 127. So what the size of this character is 1 byte. So byte means by 8. How many bits? Totally 8 bits is a 1 byte. So how many bits? Totally 8 bits. But how to specify the format here? It's a percentage of C. C is a character type. Next, like integer. Integer range is minus 32,076.82 plus 32,767. So total size of 8 bytes. 8 bytes total how many bits? Totally 16 bits size of this. In this some compiler compile to compile it varies. For a some compiler size is 4 bytes. It supports 4 bytes. Some compiler supports only old compilers uh, supports only 2 bytes. But modern compiler supports up to 4 bytes integers. Next, like floating float. This ranges is this is the expansion value 3.4 to expansion value 38 to plus 3.4 expansion to 30 plus 38. So total size of this floating point number 4 bytes. What the format specified is f, likes double. So same as the float. So only see this double the value of, see here size of float is 4 bytes, here size of double is 8 bytes. What is the format is LF. Long, see LF means long floating point value. This is a LF. So this is a reference book we recommended it. So one is Literacy by Yashwant Kanitkar, tutorial points. So if I have any queries and doubts, you can feel to um, uh, ask me. So my email ID is here. Okay, thank you.